beautiful creatures, I'm Cordelia, and today's video is going to be a hooded eye makeup tutorial featuring Silk Naturals. I'm going to be facing my fear of the eyeshadow color orange to put together this orange and red smoky fun look for fall. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it up close. So if you like orange eyeshadow, or if you have a fear of orange eyeshadow like I do and you want to see how I put this look together, just keep watching. So we are starting this Silk Naturals Pumpkin, putting this on probably the inner 2/3 of my lid. And this is Silk Naturals Mortal. I'm placing it on the outer 1/3 of the lid, and I'm going to use it to create a wing, and I'm going to blend it. I'm switching back to the brush that I used to apply Pumpkin and just blending right at the edge. And then I also like to take a cotton swab and just kind of clean up this line a little bit. I'm taking an angled brush with Mortal, the red shade, and just using this kind of to elongate the shape a little bit. And correct it. Now, because I have hooded lids with a lot of excess skin at the outer part of the lid, I like to use my darker shade to kind of hide that skin. So that's why I like to take the color out like this. I'm taking the color Lava next, and I'm using a flat brush with lava on it, and I sprayed Urban Decay's All Nighter on this. I'm gonna bring this along the bottom of this liner. And I'm bringing this in to about like the 1/3 of the outer lid for liner, not all the way in at all, because I don't want to really close off my eyes. So next I'm going to take Silk Naturals Canyon, and I'm taking a small E36 brush, and I'm just going to start applying this as a transitional color above the orange and the red. This is Silk Naturals Rome. And I'm using this just to blend out the edges of Canyon. And I'm going to apply Canyon next, that same sort of like light peachy brown matte. That's part of the Dream Blend line. I'm taking Lava, the darkest, sparkliest shade that I applied, and I'm gonna put this at the outer, like 1/3 of the lower lash line. I'm going back with a little bit more of Mortal, which is the deep Bambi red shade. And then I'm also going to apply Mortal with this little brush along the rest of the lower lid at the lash line. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of Rainbow Sprinkles, and I'm using a really big brush. I'm just kind of like patting it at the inner part here because I need a little bit of extra sparkle going on. All right, I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back to finish this eye look. All right, so I'm back. I put on the rest of my makeup, so let's finish up this eye look. I went ahead and put on my favorite mascara, which is the Ico Lash Alert Mascara, and I'm going to tightline my waterline with the Nabla Black Cupid's Arrow. And I'm just tapping a little bit of Silk Naturals Lemon Drop, which is like an iridescent yellow gold color, just sort of at the center, just to give it a little bit more dimension. And then I'm just taking a brush to ever so softly blend. I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'll be right back. All right, so let me zoom in so you can see this finished look up close. I had so much fun facing my fear of orange today and putting together this look featuring Silk Naturals. What do you think of this hooded eye makeup tutorial? How do you feel about the color orange? Please be sure to let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for hanging out, liking, subscribing, sharing, all of that good stuff. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.